Good morning students. Today we are going to learn how to find the length of an arc. If the perimeter of sector is 45 centimeter is given 45 centimeter and radius is 10 centimeter. So first solution, given measurement. What is the given measurement here? Radius 10 centimeter. Given radius equal to 10 centimeter. Radius of a sector. Then perimeter of a sector is given 45 centimeter. So first perimeter of the sector formula is L plus 2R. L plus 2R equal to 45. The total is given. Length the perimeter of a sector equal to 45. So L plus 2 into, instead of R is what? Radius. Instead of R you have to write 10 equal to 45. Now you have to find out the length of the arc. So L means length of the arc. L plus here 2 into 10. So 20 equal to 45. So now you can find out the value of L. Therefore L equal to 45. This plus 20 come to this side minus 20. So L equal to 25 centimeter. Listen students, now length of the arc of sector equal to 25 centimeter. Now listen, again I am telling. So find the length of an arc if the perimeter of the sector is 45 centimeter and radius is 10 centimeter. The two measurements they are given. So for solution, so given measurement you have to write first, after that write the formula. Perimeter of the sector formula is L plus 2R. Instead of R, radius, that is radius. R means that is radius. Instead of R you have to apply the value of 10. So 2 into 10, 20. L plus 20 equal to 45. So you have to find out the length of the arc. So L equal to this 45, this plus 20 come to this side minus 20. So you have to subtract this two number. The length of the arc of an sector equal to 25 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay students, now let us see the second one. Find the radius of sector. You have to find the radius of a sector whose perimeter and the length of the arc given 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. Then perimeter is 30 centimeter and length of an arc is 16 centimeter. So now let us see the solution. Let's first write the given measurement. The given measurement length of the arc is 16 centimeter. The perimeter is 30 centimeter. So first the perimeter formula is what? Perimeter, the formula, that is the perimeter formula L plus 2R, that is given 30 centimeter, 30. Now in this sum length of the arc is given. So instead of this L you have to put that 16 plus 2 into R, 2R equal to 30. So first put the 2R as it is in that left hand side. Then plus 16 is come to this side means minus 16. So 2R equal to 30 minus 16 is 14. So we want the value of R. Therefore R equal to 14. So the value of 2R is 14. So therefore R equal to 14 divided by this 2. The value is 7 centimeter. So the radius of the sector equal to 7 centimeter. Is it clear students? Again I am telling, listen, find the radius of the sector whose perimeter and the length of the arc is given. So that is 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. First you have to write the given measurement. What is the given measurement? The length of the arc 16, the perimeter of the sector equal to 30 centimeter. So first apply the formula. The perimeter of the sector formula L plus 2R equal to 13. So already in this sum the value of L is given. So length of the arc 16. So instead of L you have to apply the value to 16. 16 plus 2R equal to 30. Here we want to find out the value of R. So keep the 2R as it is. The plus 16 come to this side means minus 16. 13 minus 16. You will get 14. So 2R value is 14. So therefore R equal to 14 divided by 2. That is 7 centimeter. So the radius of sector 7 centimeter. Is it clear students? Okay. Okay students, now let us see the third one. Find the length of arc. You have to find out the length of the arc whose radius is 7 centimeter and the central angle is 90 degree is given. So radius and central angle is given, not a perimeter. This one given central angle. So for this central angle is given means that is length of the arc formula is theta by 360 degree. This is a into 2 pi r is a formula for the length of the arc. Okay, so first solution, the first given measurement you have to write theta equal to 90 degree, that is central angle, and radius is 7 centimeter. Okay, here angle and the radius is given. So the length of the arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r units. So you have to apply the value here. Instead of theta, the 90 degree by 360 degree. 360 degree into 2 into pi value 22 by 7. Here's all is 7 centimeter here. So now do the cancelling. Now length of the arc formula theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So instead of theta, we have to apply the value 90 degree by 360 degree into 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r value is 7. So now do the cancelling. Here 7 and 7 will just cancel. So here 90 and 360 4 times. Okay. So here 2 and 4 2 times. Here this 2 and 22 11. The value is 11 centimeter. So what is this one? The length of the arc is 11 centimeter. Length of arc equal to 11 centimeter. Listen here, again I am telling. First what is given? Find the length of the arc. You have to find out. So whose radius is 7 centimeter and the central angle is 90 degree. Radius and the angle is given. So length of the arc formula is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So instead of this theta, you have to write the 90 degree. Apply the value 90 by 360 into 2 into pi value is what? 22 by 7. Or is 7 centimeter. So now do the cancelling. 7 and 7 it just cancel. Here 90 and 360 4 times. This 4 and 2 it just cancel here 2 times. Again this 2 and 22 11. So the length of the arc equal to 11 centimeter is the answer. Is it clear, student?